e yo makare mane oket go Oburu Oginga kaka ogai mar ODM. Caroli holose chenro mar JKL kamano lero ni chenro mar sidho Oburu kaka ogai mar ODM ne oroki ahinya.
Leave the party to people like Sifuna, Babu Owino and the rest of them. They'll come and get together with us and we drive Baba's coalition.
So what you're saying is you don't think Oburu Odinga should be there?
As a presidential candidate?
Oh, not the party leader, first of all.
I don't want to talk about Demze. I was with him this morning. I don't want to say I don't like him. I don't want to say I don't. What I do know.
Should he retire? Should he go home and rest?
What I do know. ODM are deputy party leaders, correct?
Yes.
And under the constitution of the party, one of the deputy party leaders should have taken over on an interim capacity. That is what is in the constitution of ODM. They should not have parachuted somebody who held no office in the party to top leadership.
Yeah, but
made it look like it was part of inheritance.
They were quick to do that, by the way. They did that very...
They were directed. They were directed to do.
By whom?
Look at the plane when people were leaving Nairobi to go and bring Baba's body. Check who was in that plane, who then who got a phone call and pretended to be sick and left. Miraculously, by 6 the following morning, had convened a meeting. 7 o'clock, they had addressed the media. 8 o'clock, they were telling poor Mzee Oburu that we've made you the party leader. Mzee Oburu didn't know that he had been made the party leader.
Come on.
He didn't.
Come on.
Let's speak the truth. He didn't know. So the conspirators, one of them who was in that plane, who was supposed to go and help repatriate Baba's body, left. They've got marching orders that Sifuna must be out of office by March 7th. Those are marching orders.
Why March 7th?
Yeah?
Why?
Because that is the date for review of the 10-point agenda. So they want him out before.
Are you talking about Junaid Mohammed by any chance?
I'm not. Just use your imagination.
I have.
Yeah.
I've used my imagination.
And there you have landed. So that is your imagination.
Koronga jango lero bende he chenro nogo mano timore otieno he wang' jowi